Future tense. The future tense is used to express an action that is likely to take place in future. We know that will, shall and going to are used to express actions in future tense. B. Simple future tense. Will shall is used with verbs in the simple future tense to express an action which will take place in future. People will support the fight against corruption. It will rain today. To express planned or intended action in future. I will pick up my friend in the afternoon. We will make rules and regulations. To refer to a general statement about the future. The Sensex will crumble down as the oil prices are rising. They will implement some rules for the sake of the public. Will is used when we decide to do something at the time of speaking. I will have a glass of orange juice. She will lie down for some time as she is tired. To express something that will definitely happen, something that cannot be changed, something over which we do not have any control. The scheme will be launched next month. The buses will not ply tomorrow due to strike. To offer to do something. I will make a cup of coffee for the guests. I will pay your telephone bill. To express the views of the speaker. I will consult a specialist for my eye problem. I will not go for a walk as it is very humid. To request somebody to do something. Will you bring my bag, please? To promise to do something. I will bring a golf set for you. These days shall is mainly used to make offers, to give suggestions or to ask questions. Shall I set the table for dinner? Offer. Shall we take the children to the mall this Sunday? Suggestion. Shall we leave now? Question. We use going to for suggesting an intention or decision that was made earlier to do something in the near future. The teacher is going to distribute chocolate on the occasion of Children's Day. Sohan is going to shift to Agra next week. To predict a future action when there is an indication of something in the near future. The baby is going to catch cold because it is not wearing a cap. The team is going to lose match as the players are not practicing. C. Form of simple future tense. Form of simple future tense, subject plus will shall plus root form of the verb. D. Future continuous tense. The future continuous tense is used to indicate an action that will be going on in future. He will be joining a coaching center for tuitions. She will be teaching English in school. To refer to a pre-scheduled future plan. The manager will be meeting the new clients on Monday. The general manager will be launching meeting in coming days. To refer to a longer ongoing future action interrupted by another shorter future action. Sohan will be studying when you reach home. Ashu will be talking to Narendra when you enter the room. E. Form of future continuous tense. Form of future continuous tense, subject plus will plus be plus ing form of the verb. Examples, he will be visiting you soon. Manu will be reaching here in a short while from now. F. Simple present and simple future tense. Read the given sentences. The IPL match begins tomorrow. The group leaves for Jaipur next week. In these sentences, the simple present tense is used to express future events which are already planned and scheduled to take place. The simple present tense is often used for this purpose. The sports meet begins next month. The conference starts after an hour. G. Present continuous tense also indicates future actions. Read the given sentences. Dinesh is joining office next month. He is reaching Dubai next week. Sometimes, we use the present continuous tense to express an action which will happen in future and the speaker knows that an arrangement has already been made and it is planned. When we use going to, there is an intention to do an action but there is no arrangement or plan. Examples: she is going to join us soon. Intention: she is going to make a phone call. Intention: she is joining us soon. Arrangement: he is arriving here in the evening. Arrangement. H. Future perfect tense. The future perfect tense is used to indicate an action which will be completed before a certain time in future. I shall have left before you return from office. They will have finished serving food by the time you reach the restaurant. I. Form of future perfect tense. Form of future perfect tense, subject plus will have plus past participle form of the verb. Examples: he will have prepared his speech by Tuesday. She will have written the letter by evening. Rajat will have gone to sleep by evening. J. Future perfect continuous tense. The future perfect continuous tense is used to refer to a long action before a particular time in future. The choir will have been singing for an hour before the play starts. Kanchan will have been meditating for 30 minutes before you reach tomorrow morning. To refer to an action that will begin at a particular time in future and will continue beyond that time. Sneha will have been sleeping for 2 hours by the time the maid reaches the house. Neha will have been studying since morning by the time I go to her house. K. Form of future perfect continuous tense. Form of future perfect continuous tense, subject plus will have been plus ing form of the verb. Examples: they will have been sleeping for an hour by 8 o'clock. She will have been talking to her neighbor for 30 minutes by 6 o'clock. He will have been cycling for about an hour by the time the sun sets.